How to use Instagram Threads. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to use Instagram Threads. Before we get started, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Download Threads. On the App Store, download Threads. Once done, open it. Step 2. Create account. Upon opening the app, you will see the accounts you can log in using your Instagram. After that, you will set up your account with your name, profile picture, and bio, or simply tap the Import from Instagram button. When done, tap Next and choose if you want to be a public or private account. Tap Next, and it will then ask you to follow people you're already following on IG. You can follow them one by one, but you can also just tap the Follow All button. After that, tap the Join Threads button. Step 3. Interface. From there, you will be able to see all of the posts in the thread. To interact with others, you can use the heart to like, comment bubble to leave a comment, or the arrows to repost. There is also the paper plane, which is for sharing the post to your Instagram story, other people, or to copy the link. Below is a search icon where you can search for people, posts, or topics. You can also follow people by tapping their account. The square icon with a line on the middle is meant for creating a post. With it, you can type your thoughts or anything you want and also mention people in the post. You will also see a paperclip icon which will allow you to attach a video or photo from your camera roll. By tapping the Anyone Can Reply below, you can set who can comment or reply on your post. You can choose anyone, profiles you follow, and mentioned only. Once done, just tap the post. You can also share your thread to your IG story, and if they tap your post there, they will be redirected to your post on the Threads app. There is also a heart icon, which is the notifications. This is where you can see the replies, mentions, and even your new followers. The profile icon below is where you can see your profile. You can edit it and see all the posts you have made. And that's it! That is how you use Instagram Threads. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!